guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Krista, and in today's video I'm gonna do an unboxing of what is supposedly my Christmas gift to myself. If you guys want to know what I got and what it looks like on me, then please keep on watching. So like everyone else, I also did some binge watching during this pandemic or lockdown. Having said that, I actually discovered my kind of like an old love for Korean drama and Korean TV shows. So back in the day, well, when I was still in the Philippines, I actually loved watching Korean dramas. They were dubbed in Tagalog, but I really did enjoy them. And so I have rekindled with that same love for Korean dramas with Crash Landing on You. So I really have adored Yoon Se-ri in that drama or in that TV show. So as a gift for myself, I actually got something from Gentle Monsters. I have been late in this bandwagon, but I am finally joining, and so let's just unbox. This literally just came about an hour or so ago. So it looks like this. It is, I don't know if this is just like a Christmas thing because it's the holidays, or this is really how they deliver, or you know, the packaging comes in. So obviously I do have my invoice here. Let me just give you a little bit of a story on how I was able to get my hands on these. So I ordered them on gentlemonster.com. These are obviously the sunglasses. She is, you know, Yoon Se-ri is very popular with her sunglasses throughout the whole series. She had these on. I think it was during maybe around 12, 13. I think 12th episode. I think that she had on some Gentle Monster, her T1 rather than the O1. But the T1 has more of like a cheetah leopard, you know, that like brownish design all over it. Really, 2 out of like my 4 sunglasses have that already, so I've decided to just go with the her O1. The exact price, US price, was $259 US, and I believe that is what, $335-ish Canadian. So at the end of the day, I spent a lot on these sunglasses, and these are actually probably my most expensive ones. So let us go and open this up. I am so excited. I've been talking a lot. You open it up, you'd think it'd be here, but it's actually on top here because you can open it like so. So inside the bag, you know, the pouch, and it has, I guess, some care kit, and it also has some Z's kind of authentication type thing. So it says that your sunglasses have been tested by Z's Laboratories. Okay. All right. Okay, these are the sunglasses. They're sort of like a separation type thing inside. So yeah, and so it has a pouch, right? But you can also kind of punch this through to kind of lock it like so. It's just a nice little, I guess, additional touch for when you're traveling or something. Moving on to the glasses itself. I'm so excited. Ugh. It's in a Ziploc little baggie. Oh my gosh. Okay, so all right, so they do have plastic coverings on both sides. You can see it says Gentle Monster, as well as on this side. So removing. Okay, super excited. If you guys know me, I'm not really a big sunglass person. I don't see the point of purchasing expensive sunglasses, but beautiful. Let me see what it looks like on.
지나가는 길에 보인
And I'm so glad they're like the perfect size. These are actually the regular size. I did not know that they do come in a small, but the small is sold out. So I did go for these ones because I don't have the patience to wait until those come back in stock. I usually go or tend to go with rounder sunglasses and not too big of a frame or shape, because my cheeks, when I smile, it kind of lifts the sunglasses up and I don't like that. So sometimes I'd have to adjust the sunglasses after I smile before I take a picture. But with these, I think they're fine. I'm actually so happy. Like I told you guys, I do not spend a lot on my sunglasses except these and my Prada ones. So I think that I'm good. Like for the rest of my life, I'm good. I'm super happy with this purchase. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to click like and subscribe, as well as ring the notification bell so you guys keep notified when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!